Paper pattern of the NEET 2025 has been changed. Bonus rule of the NEET 2025 has been changed. How this is going to impact the cutoff, that's what we are going to discuss in this particular video. Since you guys know that when it comes to the NEET 2024, you'll be having the section A, you are having section A, you are having section B. Okay. But from 2025 onwards, you'll be given 180 questions with no choices. You are supposed to solve all of those 180 questions. Okay. And how this is going to impact the cutoff, that is what we need to discuss in this particular video. So make sure you like this video, because liking the video is very much important. Okay. Now let me just show you over here. Since when it comes to the 2024, cutoff was extremely huge, 655. Okay, from 620 to 655, it is extremely huge. So we say NTA is trying best to lower the cutoff this year in the 2025. Okay, that's the reason they have changed the paper pattern. Okay, they have changed the pattern. Okay, they are introducing the new bonus rule in this particular case. Okay, now guys, when it comes to the change in pattern, you guys know that in 2024 there was section A, there was section B. But when it comes to the 2025, we'll be having total of 180 questions. And we say 45 questions in physics, we say 45 questions in chemistry, and 90 questions in biology. Total of 180 questions. And you'll be given no choice. You are supposed to solve all the 180 questions when it comes to the 2025 NEET. Now, if you ask me, sir, how will this impact the cutoff? How will this lower the cutoff? I would say in this particular case, let's suppose previously if a candidate, he was having the choice. If the candidate is not able to solve this question, he'll solve another question. So means he's gaining more marks. So the reason will be cutoff is going to increase because of that. But right now, if you are having 180 questions and if a candidate is not able to solve any particular question, so means he has to drop that particular question and he'll lose the marks, due to which cutoff will go down. So this is going to directly impact the cutoff. That's why we say. So that's why we said this year in the 2025, NTA is trying its best. NTA is trying its best to lower the cutoff. Okay. Okay. So my dear friends, let me just tell you over here. So when it comes to the, let's now move on to the new bonus rule. See guys. As of now, when it comes to the 2025, we say if you give a correct answer for a question, you'll be getting +4 marks in that particular case. Okay. And if you have marked incorrect answer in a question, you'll be getting -1 marks. And if you leave the question unanswered, in that particular case, you'll be getting no marks, 0 marks in that particular case. Now, what does the bonus rule actually say? See guys, what does the bonus rule say? We say if a question has more than one correct, if you have got a question, okay, if it has more than one correct, like it has, let's suppose 2 correct options, okay, you will get +4 only if you have selected any one correct. Like if let's suppose there is a question, it is having 2 answers are correct over here. If you have selected any of the 2, then only you'll be getting +4. It's not like you'll mark the another option which is incorrect. No, in that case, you'll not get. Let's talk about the next bonus rule. If all the options are correct, okay, if there is a question and all the options are correct, then if answered, you'll get +4. If you have if you have attempted that particular question, then only you'll be getting the +4. If there is a candidate, he'll say, sir, I have not attempted this question, he'll not be getting +4 in that particular case. Rule number three. When it comes to rule number 3, we say if the question is wrong, then all will be getting +4 even if not attempted. If there is a question which is incorrect, okay, it is wrong in the NEET exam, then if you have not attempted that particular question, still you are going to get +4 marks in that particular case. These are the 3 bonus rules they have introduced in the NEET 2025. Okay. And one more important thing that I told you. See guys, previously I told you in order to lower the cutoff, they have basically changed the pattern. Like you are given 180 questions, you are supposed to solve all the 180 questions. Second point is, this year, that I told you in the previous videos also, deep conceptual understanding questions will be involved. Keep this thing in your mind, because why I am saying this again and again, so that you focus on the concepts very properly, so that you learn all the concepts in a detailed manner, so that you solve different variety of problems on a particular concept. More specifically, if I talk about the physics, okay, because for sure they are going to introduce this pattern this year. like 20% questions I would say will be the mixture of different concepts. They'll basically mix different concepts and they'll put up in front of you the question, because same thing happened in the JEE mains recently. Okay, because JEE mains is conducted by the NTA and NEET exam is also conducted by the NTA. Last year this cutoff was 655 in the general category, extremely huge. So in order to lower this, they are using these tactics over here, which I have told you in this particular video. Okay, and one more thing, my dear friends, I would want you guys to understand over here, that is recently an event, that is an educational fest Aram happened, okay, 2025. So in which Unacademy is giving the, we say, maximum discount on its plus subscription. If you want to learn in different batches inside Unacademy, then plus subscription, I would recommend you guys to take the plus subscription. Right now, IIT JEE and NEET UG plus subscription is for 4,499 rupees only, and you'll be getting the access to all the batches, all the test series, whatever is happening inside Unacademy with the help of this plus subscription. Link is in the description below. You can use my code in order to avail the maximum discount. And make sure, my dear friends, you like this particular video. Okay, this was the information which I wanted to give you. So take care and bye bye. Thank you so much.